Hello, how are you after the weekend? I hope you've had a good weekend. Mine was fairly relaxing actually. It wasn't the best weather, so didn't take the kids out their usual long hike up a hill, but nonetheless it was a good weekend. And this morning I was getting ready and I thought I would mention how I was getting ready and there's a bathroom window and the birds are usually singing, and there's just one lone bird singing away, chirping away, quite the thing, and it made me think, it went on for quite some time. Even the birds like some time on their own, and it wasn't put off by just its own voice. And sometimes it's important for you to spend time on your own and also to just keep on, using your voice and not being afraid to speak up when you think that no one's listening. So just think about that little lone bird and being aware of your surroundings when you are listening to the birds. Listen, am I hearing a few birds sing, or is there just one bird? Just always resonating with nature to help you through the day. Okay, let's get started today. We're going to focus on the Ujjayi breath. Finding a comfortable way to sit. Sitting up nice and tall, breathe in through the nose. And as you breathe out, making a ha sound. Breathe in. Feel the warmth of your exhale. Moving on from the open mouth, close your mouth and feel the energy moving through your throat. Don't block your breath, keep the breath coming out through your nose. But you're making a vibration and a gentle sound in your throat. Wait for the pause after the exhale. Take a lovely deep breath in again. Feel the breath deepening and slowing down. Aware of any passing thoughts, even ideas, plans, or all the worries, any negative thoughts that you're having. Just observe for a moment. Listening to the sounds around you. Now think of an intention for today. Something that will be uplifting maybe, or letting go. Something that's not helpful today. Helping you focus and concentrate. And repeat your intention 3 times. Opening your eyes. Let's start loosening off the back and the hips. See how you're feeling in this moment. Breathe in, come forward with your head and your body. Breathe out, leaning back. gently with the Ujjayi breath. And change direction. One more time. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, twist round from the waist. Looking over your shoulder, raise the arms up and twist to the other side. Breathe in, breathe in out. Also warming up the digestion. Inhale and exhale. This time lowering the arms down. Bring the hands in front. Spread the fingers out and step back into plank pose. Breathe in deeply, breathe in out. You might be on your knees or your forearms. And lower down onto your knees, lower the whole body down. Lift up into Sphinx. Feel your pelvis sink down. Bring your hands under your shoulders, lifting up into downward facing dog. Inhale, raise the left leg up behind you. Place your foot between your hands. Lifting up. Raise the arms up. Any back issues, staying here. If you're comfortable trying to open up a little bit more, use your pelvic floor. Lowering the arms down. Moving into pyramid pose. Maybe your hands on your hips, or arms out in front. Inhale, lift up, open up for triangle pose. Heels lined up, reach to the left. Exhale, side bend. So you're keeping this open here. A lot of people end up down here. If you're here with the length in your spine, you really feel the difference in your hip. Use your Mula Bandha lock as you inhale, lift up, bend your left leg into reverse warrior. Knee above the ankle, feel the stretch down the other side. Inhale, lower the arms down, lifting up. Warrior one. The knee above the ankle, open up the chest. Bring the arms down. Inhale. Exhale, pyramid pose. Breathe in, lift up, triangle pose. You might bring your hand behind the leg this time. Just listen to your body. Careful not to overstretch. Breathe in, lifting up. Reverse warrior. Breathe in. Warrior one. raise the arms up. Lowering down, hands to the floor, moving into plank. Exhale, lower the chest between the hands. Inhale, lift up into maybe cobra or sphinx. Breathing in. Breathing out, downward facing dog. I'll just turn to the other side. Lowering one heel down at a time. Breathe in, raise out the right leg. Gently place your foot between your hands. Use your Mula Bandha lock as you breathe out, opening up the body. Lower the arms down, lift up into pyramid pose. Keeping both legs straight, feel the stretch in the front leg. Inhale, lift up. Looking down at your feet. It's always important to have the feet in the correct position for the rest of your body's alignment. Gazing up to your hand or down to the floor in Trikonasana. Inhale, lift up slowly. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, lift up the arms, adjust your back foot. Warrior one. Making any adjustments with your feet to help you balance. Pushing down through your right heel. Feel the strength of your leg. Inhale, raise the arms back up. Moving into pyramid pose. To the side. Triangle pose. The palms are always open, that way you're feeling the energy, receiving light. And you can feel it moving through your fingertips down the arms. I'm already feeling way too warm with this jumper on. Inhale, lift up slowly, reverse warrior. Breathing in. One last time, warrior one. Arms down and up. Pyramid pose. Lower the arms, the hands to the floor, step forward into Uttanasana. Maybe you can reach your toes or you've got a block in front of you. here, just notice the rhythm of your breath. Repeat your intention 3 times. Okay, let's try tree pose as our balance. So bringing your right foot below the knee or up above at the inner thigh. Standing tall, a little pelvic tilt. You might have your arms out to the sides, receiving energy. Feeling the strength with the arms raised. Then lower the arms down, change onto the other foot. Don't worry if you're wobbling about today. Some days are a bit more like that. Lowering down, well done. Breathing in, breathing out, gently bend back. Reach up, inhale, exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, lowering down. Inhale, left foot behind you and lunge. Raise the arms up. Bring the arms down, left hand onto the floor, or maybe your arm on your leg. And you might straighten out the back leg. Exhale, lowering down. Raise the arms up again. Bring now your right hand to the inside of your right foot. Open up to the other side. Keeping your thoughts in the present moment. Lowering down. Hands either side of your foot. Squeeze the pelvic floor as you lift the foot back. Exhale, lower down, strengthening your arms. Lead with your chest as you lift up. Breathe in. Breathing out, downward facing dog. Lower your head. Breathing in, raise the left leg up behind you. Bring your foot between your hands. Using your pelvic floor as you gently bend back. Feeling that deeper stretch in your hip flexor. Arms come down, right hand to the inside of your left foot. And twist. You've still got the knee above the ankle here. Exhale, lower down. Raise the arms up. Even here, you're working on your core stability. Left hand to the inside of your left foot. Turn to the other side, pivot the back foot, flatten it on the floor if you're straightening the leg. Exhale, lower the arm. Inhale. Draw the navel in towards the spine. Exhale, lowering down. Inhale, lift up. Breathe in. Breathing out, child's pose. Enjoy that lovely stretch in your back. And feel back rising and falling as you breathe. Coming forward, let's do Phoenix pose as our back bend. So any trouble with your back, just try and open up the chest instead, bringing the elbows closer behind you. So squeeze the pelvic floor, inhale, lengthen the spine. Hips come forward, you might take your head back, if everything's fine with your neck and your blood pressure. When you're ready, lift up slowly, lowering down, taking a few moments here and then doing Phoenix pose again. It's a lovely chest opener, it's helping you breathe better. It'll look good if you've got any asthma or respiratory condition. Inhale, lengthen the back, squeeze the pelvic floor, exhale. Hands supporting your back. Feeling the stretch in your tummy. Slowly lift up. Knees wide apart. Walking the hands forward. Once again into your forward bend in child's pose. Lift up from child's pose, hands below the shoulders, knees, hip distance apart below your hips. Doing a few cat-cow postures. Breathing in, lifting up the head. Dip the lower back down if it's comfortable. Exhale, round in the back. Really push your shoulders away from your hands. Breathe in. Breathing out. Back to the Ujjayi breath. One more time. Now you can choose to spend your relaxation with your legs up against the wall, or if you just want to relax in Shavasana, that's fine. So legs against the wall, if you've got tired, jumpy, restless legs, or if you're doing this practice in the evening before bedtime, getting your body right close into the side of the wall, and then swivel the legs up the wall. This is great for helping you get to sleep at night. Lowering your breathing rate and your blood pressure. So staying there if you're quite comfortable for your relaxation there. So let the whole body sink down into the surface. Feel the weight of your body getting heavier and heavier. yourself the permission to totally relax, letting go all your cares and worries. Just aware of your breath in and out of your body. Feel the air moving through your nose. Surrendering your body to the present moment without thoughts for today or yesterday, just the present. Relaxing and settling your mind. Feel the movements of your body as you breathe. If you've got your legs up against the wall, slowly lower your legs down to the left side and take a few moments there. Feel the tingling in your toes. Rolling back over onto your mat, just relaxing in Shavasana for a few moments. Notice the peace in your mind, the stillness in your body. Your abdominal breathing. Repeat your intention over 3 times. Now starting to make movements, stretching out as you open your eyes again. Roll over onto your right side, slowly sitting up. Bring your hands to the heart center. Namaste. Hope you've all enjoyed your practice today. Quite a lot of hip opening work, so helping lower any stress and tension. So I'll see you again tomorrow morning at 7 AM. And also if you're local in Gartcosh, I've got one space remaining for my relaxation and Reiki session this evening at 6 o'clock. And I hope to do these a bit more often, maybe on Thursday evening too, about 6, half 6. So if you're interested, let me know. It's a lovely, relaxing meditation class and a little bit of Reiki and discussion on stress management techniques. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.